In this video, I'm going to show you how to create activity ring-like view that is similar to the activity ring used in Health app in iOS. So here we have three rings, two of which are partially filled, and this blue one is overlap within itself to indicate more than 100%. Let me first show you how to create this ring visually, and then we'll move to swiftUI to create activity ring. Select oval tool, shift drag, and then select size 300 by 300. We don't need fill color, we just need the border of width 30, and then change the color to this outer ring. If you notice here, we have a background circle as well. This means we have two circles within same z-axis. So first rename this to foreground circle, and then copy this and paste the circle. We first need to double click the circle, and then the circle will enter into edit mode. Now you can add points on these bezier curve so that you can create exact arc. So let me choose here. To remove these segments, select scissor and cut, 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 and cut. The arc doesn't have a rounded corners. For this, go to setting here and then choose this rounded arc. So this complete the first segment. Now let me show you how you can create this. Let's group this first. Let's group and lock. Again, select oval tool and create a circle of 230 by 230. Place it center, remove the fill color, and then increase border width by 30. Choose the color. To create this overlapping like effect, we need to copy this and paste this again. Let me rename this to foreground, and segmented foreground. So now again double click on the circle and then place the control point here to create a very small arc. We can remove all the other arcs. Right now we are not able to see anything, but let me first change to a different color, and then make it rounded corner. Let me change the color back to previous one. To make it visible, we will create a shadow effect, and we will move this shadow by that looks fine. This look very much similar to this circle. Now I am going to show you how to create an animation like effect, just like in health app, when you reach more than 100%. So let's first show grids and then ruler, then select this arc, go to layer, transform and rotate. Here we have anchor point about which the rotation will take place. We will change this anchor point to middle of this circle. Yeah, that's good. So if you change the angle, then we can see the animation effect of health app. That's it in this sketch. In the next part I will show you how you can achieve this with swiftUI.